Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Welcome to Adorable One. How you guys are doing? I hope you are fine. If you are fine there, I am fine here. Yes, welcome once again to my channel. Today I'm going to make miracle leaf extract. Okay, I will add the fresh one and the dry one together. So I was finished adding the fresh one. I'm adding the dry one now. I picked just little because I run out of it, and as well my glycerin is not many, so that's why I want to make it small. So I'm going to add my glycerin, 20 grams of glycerin. Then I will add just little water, 5 grams of water. Then I will add my preservative. Because of the water that I added, I will add my preservative, 0.1 gram. Okay. And so please, if you have been watching me and you are not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, share my video, like my video, so YouTube can recommend my video. Okay, yes, thank you for doing that. So I was finished adding all my ingredients: the glycerin 20 grams, water 5 grams, and preservative 0.1 gram. I'm going to cover it and keep for 1 week. Okay, if you need more extract, you can keep it for 2 weeks. More you keep, more you keep extracting. Okay, so this extract can be added to your formulation, your serum, your body wash liquid soap, your toner, your cream, your lotion. Okay, yes, because I listed some of the benefit of a miracle leaf. You can search for that video and watch it. So it's complete. I'm going to squeeze out my extract. Okay. I'm squeezing them out. I want to use it for face toner. Yes, that is why I needed to make this extract. I need to add to my face toner. Okay. I noticed some pimples coming out from my face, so I want to treat the pimples. Please subscribe to my channel. You know, I'm just a beginner. I need people to know me before I start making the many production. So just look for your clean container. I'm using my clean bottle. This is my sterilized and cleaned plastic bottle that I'm using it to package my products. Look at how lovely it is. If you go to market to get it, then you will know how much all these things are costing. So see you on my next video. Bye for now. Stay well.